I am not sponsoring Monster. I am not sponsoring Monster. I'm also not sponsoring Cheetos. But what's going on, guys? Face Scorpio here. I know I'm not drinking G Fuel. Now you guys are gonna flip. And quotes to Faith Flagger for letting me borrow his Monster. Yeah, we're drinking Monster right now. No G Fuel for us right now. You know, we're not drinking G Fuel right now. We're drinking Monster. Monster. And today, I'm making this quick little video, just saying why I changed my name so many times. First off, I changed my name and I'm going to be double uploading today. First off, it's because Scorpio sounded like a wannabe name, Anubis name. Like, dude, I'm actually in. So I wanted to get, like, more better name that sounds like I'm actually, like, in. I don't know if this is good. Is it? Here? Yeah, that's good. But, I thought that was, like, sounded like a Anubis name, like, and not a real name. And I'm, like, actually in, so I went, like, to be real. And I did Face Freaks. And I'm wearing my fake earrings right now, but because I liked them. I also did Face Freaks because, what's it called? Like, I was thinking, that's cool. But then I thought, what if Face Ryan's like these Face Freaks that chucks rocks at her house? Like, they're gonna be like, my fans do that? No. I'm like, no. And then I found, and then I thought of Prime, and so Face Prime. And I was like, that sounds cool. I made sure no one had it. Like, no, there was no Face member because I don't know Face member. That's Face friend. And so that's why no one had it. So now I'm Face friend. And this was a quick little video. And I told you guys I'm going to be double uploading today. Yeah. And so, yeah. What's it called? And that's all for today's video. Always stay at the maximum prime level. Peace.